I don't know whether you are aware. The trade license fees are going to be increased from 1st of April.
Trade license fees.
Yeah, we are opposing it. But many people don't know how much it's going to increase. And that's why they are unaware. So we are distributing this rate chart so that you all know exactly how much you are going to be hit. Understood? Now you are in
Trade license.
Yeah, municipal trade license. So you are paying house tax, you are paying sanitation fees. Now the trade license. So
Trade license fee.
present it is 1,547 today's date.
Okay.
From 1st of April it's going to be this much.
Ready-made
Ready-made garments, first one.
garments.
5,000 if it is 20 square meters. 6,000 it is 20. 6,000 if it is 21 rupees. Suppose they put you in this category, hardware and paints. Then you have to pay 4,000 if your shop is 20 square meters. Above 20 it is 5,000. From 1st of April, their license is to be hiked by the municipal council. And which we are opposing. And there is an equal cause for you also to vote because finally it is affecting you. At present, the trade license is 1,547, which from 1st April is going to increase. Now, see there are different categories. Whether they consider you tailor in 3. So,
And ready-made garments.
yeah. See whether they consider you in this or this. It will depend on them. Understood? If they consider you in this, then if your shop is 20 square meters, you will be charged 5,000. But which is not 20, because it's more than 20. So you come in this second bracket of 6,000. If they consider you in tailor, then it will be 2,500 or 4,000 based on your size of you. Apart from that, signboards have been increased. For 1 square meter of board, you have to pay 1,500 if it is illuminated, or 750 if it is not non-illuminated. So this is the quantum of this increase, not just 20-30%, but really 300-400% also. So we want you all also to raise your voice, because finally it is you who will be paying. And it's not fair to increase to such an extent when even the business is not, you should be knowing more basically. When all business establishments are finding it difficult even to break even. So we want you all also to take up this issue. Restaurant आप है 6,000. तो यहाँ अवेयरनेस करता है so that लोकांनी जे आवाज करून यहाँ कॅन्सल झाला. Charge 1,500.
Okay.
Presently it is not even 20%, some 250 rupees something is there.
Okay.
And you will come under this any other trade because it is not specified your office.
Okay.
Meaning present trade license fee is 1,547.
Okay.
Which will go up to 2,500.
Okay.
If it is 20 square meters, your premises. Above 20, it will be 4,000.
Correct.
And above 50, it will be 50 rupees extra per square meter.
Okay.
So you can realize what is the quantum of jump in the
Yes.
And this is the reason we are proposing this.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are creating this awareness because probably you might have not known also this.
Yeah.
So we are distributing this their rate chart.
Okay.
So that you understand how it's affecting you.
Okay.
And so that you also can raise your voice to your local councillor
Okay.
or to your MLA.
Okay.
If you are whether you are happy.
What are you all doing to fight this?
We are the ones who are opposing it.
Opposing.
And a person like a stature of your organization, which is all over Goa, you're famous. Imagine the extent that you all will have to pay the taxes onto this, the increase.
Yeah.
So we're just making an awareness with everybody around the Margao Municipal Council. So we are driving the cause, and you all need to also support us in this cause because at the end of the day, we are doing it for the people.
What you are distributing? What is this?
There is a proposed hike in municipal fees, trade license fees, then your birth certificate, transfer fees, signboard fees. Various types of fees are proposed to be hiked by the Margao Municipal Council. And the hike is not just 10 or 15%. It ranges from 50% to even 500%. So this, many people are not aware. Though the notice was published in the daily, Goan daily, it was published on 27th of February. But when we go around, we come to know that people are not aware. So that's why we have taken prints of this public notice and we are distributing it to the shop and we are showing them in which category they are coming. So the hike is to such an extent that it is unfair to increase to such an extent. Now for a transfer fees, I'll just tell you. For the transfer of a shop, which is presently 3,000 rupees. the transfer of a shop has house tax transfer has been increased from 3,000 to 10,000. If it is a non-blood relation, means if you are buying from a builder or second-hand shop you are buying, then it has been increased from 3,000 to 5,000. Then trade license fees. Presently they are paying 1,547, which has been increased to 2,500, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000. To such extent they have increased. Signboards they have been increased to 1,500 per square meter if it is eliminated. Yeah.
Savio, the chairperson is saying compared to the Vasco municipality and the Panjim municipality, the amount is very less.
See, we don't go by what chairperson is saying because previously when this resolution was taken, he had announced that the increase is marginal, just 10 or 15%, maximum 20%. These are his words. If you check your his earlier bite in the news, you will come to know. So all these lies, because they are habitual in this. They tell something to the public, but actually they do something else. And what our contention is that now they have started a survey of all the premises which have got license, which have no trade license, all that thing survey is going on. So you complete that survey, see how much of revenue can be generated from the non-SS premises. If you cover all these premises, the increase also is not required. You cannot compare Panjim municipality to Margao. The quantum of business in Panjim is much more than what is in Margao. In Margao, first of all, people are moving out from Margao. He should realize that even his MLA, the local MLA, people are moving out from Margao. They prefer to shop in Naveli or Patoda or Borda, that area, because there is no parking facility. Lots of other things are there. And people are struggling to make ends meet, light bill, water bill, or all this, their overhead. And here, to the municipality, you all are asking them to pay such huge amounts. You are squeezing the people, which is not fair. And so we are going door to door, making people aware of this. And we will be having a protest on the 28th or 29th in front of the Margao Municipal Council, because we don't want that this should be adopted from the 1st of April. You complete your survey, check the revenue quantum that you can get, and then you can go ahead with that.